Hello students, welcome to Christ Church Convent High Secondary School, Gadarwara. This is your digital class, class 11th, subject biology, chapter 1, that is the living world. And now we are talking about the taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, what is taxonomical hierarchy? So look at this. The main aim of systematics is to assign an appropriate place to an organism, and where in a systematic manner. So this is for the classification, and this arrangement is called taxonomical hierarchy. Okay, means what कि कोई भी जो लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म है उसको एक सिस्टमैटिक्स में क्या होता है कि हम उसको एक सिस्टमैटिक प्लेस देते हैं, उसको सिस्टमैटिकली अरेंज करते हैं, ठीक है, क्लासिफिकेशन में, तो वो फिर क्या कहलाता है, डेट इज कॉल्ड एज टैक्सोनॉमिकल हायरार्की. And this hierarchy, this arrangement is called as taxonomical hierarchy, and in this there are some ranks are given to the organism according to their characteristic features. These ranks are called as taxa. Okay, look at this. There, what is these ranks? That are species, the lowermost, that is the unit of classification, and then genus, family, order, class, phylum, and the largest is the kingdom. These are the ranks of the taxonomical hierarchy and called as taxa: species, genus, family, order, class, phylum, kingdom. So first of all we can talk about species. Sorry, it is the initial, what it is the initial smallest and basic unit of the classification, and of the according to that means there is the specific features which are present in an organism, and due to which that is called as a species. What is that? Example, like there are some we can say that genus Ficus. Ficus is the genus for the plant, that is trees like peepal, bargad, and fig, means anjeer. Okay, so they have the common genus, but their species are different. They are the different species because of the specific characters which are present in them, like their shape of their leaves, okay, and about their pattern of the arrangement of the leaves. ठीक है, तो these are the specific characters which are different of the people and the bargad, means ficus, banyan, and the fig. Okay, so there is a specific character. Like we can take another example, like the dog. You know about the dog, that is there are some dogs which are like shepherd, German shepherd, Pomeranian, and Doberman, bulldog. So these are the different species of the dog. They have some specific characters which makes them different from the other. So therefore that is the species. Okay, and if these species have similar characters in anywhere, so they are come under the genus, same genus. Okay, so like जैसे कि मैंने अभी बताया कि ficus is the genus in which come peepal, banyan, and fig. So these three trees have some similar characters, like the shape of their flower, seed, due to which they are come under the same genus. And if these genus have some characters which are resembled to each other, they are come under the category or the taxa or the rank family. Okay, so like example is what? There we take the example of the lion, leopard, and tiger and cat. They have different genus, different species, but they have some characters which makes them resemble to each other. Therefore, they are come under the family, same family. The family is the Felidae. So, belong to two genera, that is Panthera and Leo, that is Panthera and Felis, but come under the same family, Felidae. Lion, that is Panthera leo, tiger, Panthera tigris, leopard, and cat have that is the Felis. So they come under the same family, Felidae, because of the similar characters. Then on the basis of similar characters of the families, which makes them resemble to each other, so these families can come under the similar type of order. Listen, in the family there the suffix is joined, that is the AE, suffix लग जाता है यहाँ पर, but in order the suffix is come ales, ये suffix लगता है यहाँ पर. ओके, सो ales, ए, जैसे Felidae, ठीक है, ब्रेसिकेसी, पेपरवरेसी, तो यहाँ पे क्या आ रहा है? सफिक्स ई, एंड ऑर्डर इज एल्स, सफिक्स यहाँ लगता है. दोज फैमिलीज विच हैव द सिमिलर कैरेक्टर्स विथ ईच अदर, दे कम अंडर द सेम ऑर्डर. The last letter suffix is ales, like Periatales, consist of families such as Brassicaceae, Papaver and Capridaceae. Okay, Brassicaceae is the family for mustard, Papaver for opium, and the that is the Caparidaceae, that is for the custard apple or papaya. So these are the orders, they are come under the same order, Periatales. And when the different species or the different orders which are which have some similar characters with each other, they are come under the same category called as class. Like Mammalia, the class in which different orders come, ठीक है, like primate and carnivora. Primates and carnivora come under the same category or the same class. The another highest rank when the same different type of classes have similar characters with each other, they are come under the same phylum. Like Chordata phylum of the animals that contains the different classes like Mammalia, aves, and amphibians, reptiles, they are come under the same phylum, Chordata. Then the highest division or the highest rank or the highest taxa or category is what? Kingdom. Kingdom is the highest category. All the living organisms which have the same characters like movement, respiration, aspiration, reproduction, they are come under the same kingdom, that is Animalia. Okay, so this is about the taxonomical hierarchy. You can understand it. So in this way we can arrange different living organisms in a systematic manner. There are two kingdoms, that is plant kingdom and animal kingdoms. All the living organisms come under this category. Broadly, in a broad way we can say, R.H. Whitaker जो थे उन्होंने लेकिन 5 kingdom classification दिया है, and that is what Monera, Protista, Fungi, then Animalia, Plantae. ठीक है, so these are the kingdoms in which these are the 5 kingdoms in which the whole biodiversity of the living world is come under, and we can study them. So this is about the taxonomical hierarchy. In the next video we will study about the tools for study of a hierarchy. Okay, thank you.